In the hush of a summer meadow, where the breeze bends tall grasses and the sun spills its warmth like molten gold, lies a humble flower with a radiant spirit. Chamomile. Soft, fragrant, and unassuming, it carries the power of sunlight within its tiny blossoms, as though each petal were a whisper from the sun itself. Yet, beneath its delicate face dwells deep magic, a bridge between healing rest and radiant prosperity, a guardian that clears away shadows with its gentle strength. Despite its delicate petals, it shines with the masculine fire of the sun, tempered by the calm flowing energy of water. Chamomile's magical correspondences rooted firmly in the realm of solar power, though its element is water, a union of light and flow, warmth and calm. This unique pairing gives chamomile a dual nature, fiery in its ability to draw abundance and strength, yet soothing as a stream, guiding the spirit into peace and renewal. In magical practice, chamomile is a magnet for money and prosperity. Carrying it, or even simply invoking its presence, invites financial flow into one's life. Its blossoms are also woven into the mysteries of love, drawing affection and tenderness when added to a bath or used in charms. Beyond wealth and love, chamomile has long been cherished for its powers of purification and protection. To sprinkle chamomile around the home is to weave an invisible shield, dissolving malice, curses, and ill-willed energies that may have settled in the atmosphere. It cleanses not with a thunderclap, but with a soft wave, sweeping away harm while leaving only peace. In ritual incenses, chamomile is a powerful ally for sleep, dream work, and meditation, its smoke guiding the soul into deeper realms of restoration and vision. What makes chamomile so enchanting is its paradox. Though small, it commands great strength. Its powers whisper of a truth often overlooked. That softness is not weakness, and gentleness is a force capable of dissolving even the heaviest burdens. By working with chamomile, you attune yourself to the sacred balance between strength and surrender, the fire of the sun and the flow of water, prosperity and peace. And so, as we close this lesson, imagine the fields of chamomile glowing in the sunlight, their fragrance drifting like a lullaby upon the breeze. May its golden blossoms remind you that prosperity can arrive with ease, that peace is a mighty protector, and that gentleness is its own kind of magic. With chamomile as your ally, you walk with the quiet brilliance of the sun, wrapped in the softness of water's embrace.